Memo achibio eba Awake TV so anopon komo na yatena se a yefi ase aba bedie no edura no pastor no ana enkomo ahodo a etwago ewo mamu na yedibie na edi nsunsuanso papa ebre obabibia wo bia enti anopai no se wo fi a Awake TV na abehwe dwumede wo so saso so na bibinti wo pia kwa abonten ana se woni fie nso de na ko Facebook na kwa Awake TV page ho na dwumede obehunu bi wasa no message na fenso no sedru ebra obenya akwanya no obisasam so a watimi ebisabi enti anopai enkomo na eni atena se a ye ba bedie no na anopai speaker FK Ado why social policy advocate wabeka misa anopai a ye ba betwetwe nkomo de afa ye de obo enkrata emunsem ahodo no speaker mache mehu wache
amen tada no me ba wa mama go baby ending ntino
se enra no kan yo na time akan no so no wan kan ntem
na de na se go baby enchene ya no awie na de odi we na
se wo pro ho a ha na beans na amen na ye din unze sa so enye de ibe kwa kodibi wa chire ho
sawo mama bi wa chire
e fine pa
bi ayi baby nchechefo amu hwe ahwefo o hwe ye nyina mutimi hia ye wi
ni akodibi
na red dey unze how
me say
I don't know February mu ana
chese na wotwi kra de minim but me per red pa
kokode ye
aha kokode unze ye ai inti kokode ye pa ena me se kokon so fatame inti e me famu na ya mukala no musa akoshe kokwa
na mama
inti se me de ne ye
we PPP ni ana
na me ye
na we ye
say me kwa ko pre parliamentary seat bi ama wo
so independent
PPP Awake
yeah
sorry inti ya sorry no pay dia na chese ena me san wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko
okay
inti aya na
mapema
apembeba okay MFA was losing team sin bi mo ye passing bi mo enti anopay nana boache wo ya tebubo hine nana mechia wa no pay nana wo nkwaso na speaker papa ya mechia ni ye ka mpanimfo eni nipa won mu ayemu ye na wo akoma pa papa ka ho bi papa ka ho bi wabobra pa na wuyi se wabobra ene ni mpani a wodie oye hene watebubu
okay
wasanso public relation spokesperson Edma Atebubu Traditional Council
okay
nti ni dibra ne de chese wabomodin wasanso CID ewo Ghana Police Service emu papa no wabobra pa na oye nipa nso na naboachi ya dom
nana wasam na wuke
ai
that's a minute na ya tina class o nana me classmate
ampa nana boachi
nana hwe ya
o hwe ya no pay
nana obeni o edie michia o nana kasi asase ba ku bi na nka mame wo amantin echire honum kakra nana sa ye kra do de mame ne fan kra tanu nzu ye mame emi se me papa ba ko nso hwe me Kwame Onyina yo bi a ye hwe no pa as a big man as he say we take social media omo ye nkofo ni bia omo I say omo nyi na nso no omo de omo nimdie e betina social media no mo so aboa ye na youth no so yetimi aye enti wofa me wi a me baba be Jason we bi kakra
no pe die
enti me papa Kwame Onyina Yakobo nsia no ka ho anopa we nso
anope mo amudi mo birthday nra akua sewa ne awunya ye bia wotina ofie di ye no yanso ye de bedru so speaker ne dru so e be kire mo pa anope memfa fidie so ma nana ya akunadu Peace FM happy birthday me sorry anapa bia nipa wadama kuma so baako adane de nyina no me pre ne nchen nimdie no ene na woda ene nyame hya onana bibia wo ye bia no wonto nkwanem na wo manhira no enkosoro na woni odidi wo na ase no omunso entumi enya bi enti ye ko ye nkomo twetwenu na ansana no COVID-19 ene abafom a ye ntu ase kra enti o se etimi ebo ye ho ban di free yare no ho na ye nkonkoti bie enti anope ye nkonko hwe COVID-19 update ewo oman emu COVID-19 ebo my Ghana mu wo share confirmed cases here na best 45,655. After recoveries 44,797. Nipa wa from washe one mo kwa. Na wo twetwe mu na 286. And so eneno enenra no shiri koso 294. So new cases ababeka hu 54. And active cases 564. Ye bon paye se baby adruno beti aba fomo na chese ye beda be sore no na COVID-19 efri omemu na ye hu etimi atoyen. Enti speaker anopei yenko de obokrata no awoduo ni mutewtew na yen share ne ekoso e wo honmo wokọ Daily Graphic de obokrata no emu a na o Friday kan no eno ECOWAS meeting e course no mampanyin enetena ne ti ehwema adwumade no course na mpanyinfo akobenkromu a wo chese obi biara tememuni biara ni amo ho sem obedie no asrafo ne mpanyinfo nhwe se wode wonmo ebeba emra no anim na etimi abo man no ama na etimi afa ne ntoma pa ede afra enti se speaker koba ni say no ana se du sam pempenso say no a aya na abone no edoso na yakoka se obi eya rough ana se wodi nsemone a yentwe no emra no anim no yenyini se aya na mpanimfo bi no etata sa ne ye chi a eno no kofa sa oye ne no eba na
that's be me that's in chia nsankoma yahwefo nyina ene ye menu abema Kobe Black, the best photographer of Ghana. Kobe Black na woda Kobe, happy birthday to you mami. coup d'etat ababesi wo the African continent and I say ye bibre emaimu hanu say no say ebedu baby from the late 80s eba early 90s no wa African countries ni na asrafo ena na idiom so no. World Bank together with other Bretton Woods institutions are almost setting standards for good governance, i.e. accountability, i.e. honesty, i.e. participation, and no money sheye edaho I was saying to say wo bu o man bia so a ye won sheye bi anase ahwesodie bi I was say we meet this criteria no. Almost the stringent measures be egu home international trade. So when they wo ayonko for betimi edi nkita ho na matimi edi twa no. Eto de bia na ye seize so ntumi yesa. Support bi obehia say betimi di aba na di aba wo country ni mu nso no. Betimi edu say ntumi nya sa support ni biem. Loans facilities bi was say ntumi nya no ntumi enya biem. Entine ebema most of these African countries na coup d'etat na ajiji omumu they became islands on their own. Quentin Crawford enti wa na no hu edidwa wonso a penso e na wo ye no ma bia hu say ayese wutu na ya untu ayese wote compound house mami na wonchine asa na wo mokọ asa na nka bia nka wo next door neighbor no obetuma wo bi na emumu no woni no eni sa na yonko fani ntumi enko sere ni so mesere wo na nka me ni nchine nka betimi ama me nchina na mesere wo me ayon na se nka me kwa adwuma interview bi nti nka ma mewe nti won say ahokyere ene de ba most of these African countries enti ne ye ka say ye mpe sa we yatina se ka say democracy is the best for everybody, whether Africa, whether Asia, Americas or the Europe. Say kamiba min kabi enye se nipa kuo bi esanse tumie ene ahoden ene mo dwen se ntino mu wo etuo ni agyan ntino omo ba be din krofo bi so obi ti ba bi na so pese obi sa wo se na dien na wo dis yesika eye dien na wo fa plans be na wo fa ama ye education ana se yesuku ko akoma utumi nkabi ya kan wa hye ya kan wo amoa na eye time yeni munyina ye say afini ya ba be kai ho about the negative effect of coup d'etats our African continent atwen abechire bebre meti mali asem no anyame de ni bisa se edien ena ekoso wo mali enti a asojafo befa tuo ni agyan ni asekan kasi nti ye kwakutu aban ego wana kra ne tai chiri ti se de wo kan no because I heard the history of coups in our African continent and mostly Yan be etayechiri. So I say the key amongst them ya papa Kwame Nkrumah ya for the yefi my own say Yanumono and I know mutayechiri say he was objecting and opposing to most of omunoma bi ana komo pese omunya ye nanka ye still na sa fa hudi nanka ye nya no still e bankrate mu dia yensa ehwo manum omu pa ye pa omapempoma na ye ka yensa no na bi say ye fa democratic rules so kabe ma meka bia bambu ediyi aban bi ediyi nipa bi so me president eno ma oye no eso ani ana mami ebi ochina beba ni akaso mami credo ene unye hostu we anopan komo bi adan ya na ebi a producer na certain criteria bi see was certain umiti ye ba ye sinti obey the producer mami kati ye ko commercial break oso for asem so wakasasa o se mra so essence sponsors o se for asem so why ya if say what try on ton enti ene yesere ko no be fufu obeti asem yeden embra probably you are not meeting certain target enti you miss say those governments na ya electoral democratically are they meeting the needs of the people and you be say needs of the people no ka be dem boni you say these are the needs of the people the general outlook of the nation edie na nkomodie be na nkofo ebo so therefore no feel say be normal enkoye onum say Hassan Ouattara Cote d'Ivoire and maybe a term about almost about 10 years ago saying we were all fighting so Baba ye president obedi president we're doing 2 terms and then Hassan Ouattara na media ye mabufu krampo ni say enra so betena obi ba
meeting bi
also wunim de awoye ewo wo mamu awonim say eye capable of bringing an outbreak of war name nkofo kukum ne mentem ho ase ewo we country no say ya ma one yakwa ma wonti na wetimi abedi na kwe adi ni nipa bakope na makofo tirimu mame enti ni se wo wetimi ahu say democratically ya be na wetimi emiemia no mam ahihye mra ni say ya say me pese me for another 3 terms meanwhile the constitution says 2 terms adenti na African continent we are so power drunk say yenya tumi a essence say yenya tumi a yedi bunka mu nipa bebresu nti na nipa no so nim omofa ahudie ne omo akenka say be kenka yehu die ekoso nti no me na menya tumi ne die wo say me di wo so I mean say the first tussle or the hurdle for our president His Excellency Nana Addo and it's obetimi mediate very well. Most especially, I'm happy say the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, a leading mediator in all these issues. It's as a wire president, and this is what we need former president and statesmen to do, to be able to use their experiences in their past, and then also the aura around them as leaders, and then also their knowledge and wisdom to be able to broker peace among other factions. I wish the president and his team the very best. So let us look at this is the biggest task for him since he became an ECOWAS chair. And Jebia, yendi na watch musume bako krampo. Yeah, and I feel the way they baby seen him. But I think that this is also a leadership test for him, and him being also a multilingual person, most especially able to also speak to the people in the French language. At least yes, so come kasa me dream say wo come touch bakoma and lawyer press conference, part of the press conference, or French. And we say he's hitting to them, telling them, say, I understand your situation, I am speaking your language. And I feel say diplomatically, he wins some souls over there. And also say Omar cool leaders, so just so and Kayebia say ya from aba ya from mobile behind the scenes na ya to be ekoko bi ya da papa tumu afi honum so ade ase ya dada wa krakra wa na ya de waba ya de ba wa masa Interpol issue one arrest warrant so we land in Ghana na say we ba pa yenchu. But I feel say or you see diplomatic means okay other jurisdiction and I mean madam for because I say masa in other cases and ka kwani land in Ghana ha pa na power. Meanwhile, they are arranging for other security agencies, UN force, they should go and take over. Oh, bet me ammunition in Amori after the UN and as I say, but I feel that the president wants to use the due process and he's doing his due diligence. all the people who are involved are also helping him. We wish him the very best. We need peace and stability on the African continent, most especially on the West African bloc. Mami, we need to start trading amongst ourselves. And when some of these things happen, it hinders our progress. Where your secretariat here, AFTC, or say the secretariat here, say it is going to be a channel or a vehicle to trade amongst us. We need each independent or individual countries to be in a stable grounds, so they bear saying to the trade need to make cost any other things to make cost. You be to make trade among ourselves. Say they bear mean to me chatting by hand and fa and pursue bebre and co Europe and co Americas and co ton next can be to buy it. So ever means a bit matter Amaminia Nigeria, bit matter Amaminia Liberian, and I say Cote d'Ivoire, and I say Togo, and I say Malini. So we need that peace and stability. That is what is going to rake in the needed development for the African continent, most especially the African continent. The sense say you fire to man pa fra. Mame, say you say Africa you be kan you ho bom. Na say you fa you to man pa fra. Sad development na you hu the European world in America ni Asia ni way the Middle East in one million. Na guess you beti me big kakra. I don't know be beti me to kwan efi Africa. Aqua America, who do all man of you say Africa or Bobra.
I say, how dear?
Obitimiko, now a quaco jina, we be who stream cacre be who no a trust selfie. Uncle Jino Donna in trust selfie. Mammy, Uncle Jino Donna in trust selfie. If so be so, I say speedboat in it, some way be Uncle Ford cruising in, no man, no maybe no a cacucha. Uncle Jan, will you, your friend is a voter league in trust selfie.
Then so you cry.
Then so you ground with Jina Humpoye. And as I say, come and use them for ton tilapia cry and how to make a promote or more to But the whole thing is that Obi Atsinasi deliberately said, Miss yes, me mine. Now the other work where tourist attraction. I wish the president the very best. I believe in him. He's chaired the UN Security Council before. He has the exposure and he has people behind him. I feel that when he's able to put things in the right place and the right context and inviting all stakeholders, and yes sir, esime challenge ba uba obia ba obina kase yesrew o mine kanko Africa kanko ena yepe edie na wope se wonsu benya share in the governance and I say edie na person ka democratic governance no omoba ombetimi eye ediama military ombetimi so akase we now feel part and parcel of the governance structure of Mali or any other African country. Let us sit down, put it on paper, and let us strike a deal. Where they are happening with Egypt, where they are happening with Libya. Look at all these war-torn countries. What has become of them? Muammar Gaddafi, Ifio. Do you know what has become of Libya? That tells you, say, and I didn't think Ghana as a peace-loving people. Obia sorry or say Ghana. Why? After the 1980 we could Rollins ya papa be anyway nyina bibia sense biem at least we are enjoying to be sorry pen or say oh I want to come to Ghana. Everybody is using Ghana as an exemplary country for peace, security, and then also the peace and loving people that we are, welcoming people that we are. Every other country should emulate Ghana, and here I applaud the president for doing that quickly.
Na speaker yenhwe aya na yempanimfo no enibre ena aya eye wo mo ana se ya to aba mawo na yankasa yepem eni efiri ne ma onfie nan se betena se ana se betena konwa so enso behun asomasi ana so obenten ane mra aso na chese boapayo bi wone asrafo ana se wone ekuo bi atena se edibonea na chese wobedi man newu enti eno no aya ewo se yehwe emane koso ana anampo se ekwan bi wo ho a ewo se enke etumi council ye leaders no ansa na won mu aba bedi aman no so ana se ye mra no wom ebi wo ho ana emra no emu omre dodo na won mu eba benya tumi ene ade amwodi abeteti a omanfofo ahudie so
mame medase. And now Bettina here as morning show host. You have your background so wako journalism school, wako communication school, uba as be attachment, be internship, be a national service. Oko we no na ya churchill near esse effata. The benchmark is there. You are setting a job description at your mom. Your mom will say, this is your reporting time to come and do pre-production. Obey production. Yes, so yeah, that's a post-production. After the year to see, or tonight, they be able to discuss it. What do producers know? Be a cameraman in Athens, and then a call saying, I didn't say, I see. It's in a wooden near Baby. Is there any institution? A training for some ministers, MPs, presidents, Anna. Near minim say Gempa. I am a proud student of Gempa. Say, yet know how the outlook of the public service etier, outlook of general public administration etier. But say be obenya opportunity akwa serve wo honum say be akwa service wakwa ye way this is the criteria obey benchmark I set amount as president ni oba ye A B C D within your 4-year mandate no mami e bi ni wonum sa yemra ne hihye ekire why can be a president 40 years of sound mind no who test one ever who test this sound mind no one me so be catch them say yeah the MPB and as presidential candidate be and as a parliamentary candidate be acquire sabia akwa testing the sound mind at the results I then aba ain't or say effort me per se yeah the obi akwa another test mu say integrity say akwa testing integrity the level of honesty the moral standards ni nyina say the person meet all these things and maybe yes, ukotokum. Say the ukotokum. 100,000, mommy.
Ubenyabi.
100,000. So the whole thing is that we have seen the public service as a means to enrich ourselves. Intianimity, mommy said, "Minya call after the program we see here." No be framing. Oh, speaker said they will conduct one hour say there. Before what about from the office? Your appointment letter be that. If they are state-owned agency, be like a communication director, and I said then be on. Now, Obiako capture, I call your screenshot. They are better to Facebook. Tag me about course speaker. And that's say there. Be you. I remember our officer. See the public expectation of leaders. It's very high. What is your expectation? For me to perform better, for you to also benefit from my knowledge and my wisdom and my works. And now I say your expectation is that frame me as speaker. And then call you 100 Ghana movie. Now why am I? Call you with the office. Now me the envelope be am. Our general expectations of our leaders and say, obeti me nyam pempen subi die du. Sa position no one. Now what me a friend no waka tell say brana bejisika. Oya di o. Honorable dear Papa. Honorable. Oh, ye nipa o. Me say me mama yari nyina honorable. Come. And you were honorable ye school fees Obuame university. Oduka no pay we cram me o. E first scholarship me o. Oh, Papa we MD we. Oh, ye o nipa o. And I me call the office Ghana or the bibi mama me ko try to me ko bie so 1,000 Ghana me say me ye mo de show. And one more. Yeah, share Juma away. Share Juma, Nipani air, yenya some fast walk. Eti yama Nipani say or your regional minister. Ye Mr. say, and she say, you pen with your book claim. At the whole region in Yinan. Almost about 1 million population of that region in Yinan. Ebenya some fast wobi. Yahese Mpino Ebeko and Rashebejum Akoshi Shembra. Now why also an advocate for development in his constituency. And only say minister no abano obe collaborating with the public sector no nan that initiatives no policies no odi abani nyina no wetimi a briefing all public service workers that I say within the Ministry of Education no, this is the policy direction of the government. For that matter, I need this knowledge, I need this human resource, I need these people, their commitment, their honesty, their passion to be able to push through this policy. So much so that everybody at the hook and crook of the nation, baby, obiara, esan say yatena crime, edi pen ato paper so, actually say, we ne waso obianya in education, in health, in intino, si ya kwatena se, na si ya coordinate, na si ya ma obiara enya sa information we ya. Regardless of wherever you are, Mommy, you are going to benefit from that decision. And crying and make it, that is what we are talking about. And that is what leadership is supposed to be measured by. KPIs, key performance indicators, by your ministers, your MPs, your presidential aspirants, any Obi Biara state-owned agency, CEOs, MDC, no more money. And I say independent appointment. Ye bisa se emre tutu a obeka kwatena ho as CEO as MD no e dien ensakraye be na wo so deba e ye wa bra bro mu ensakraye sanka sanka bia watena trotro mu naka for the rest of your life and as watena trotro mu ye be ya at least ya assign vehicle be dia ma entino wa bra ba ye den asasa ye obe movie e wo se wunya wo car obia nobody has a problem with it oba ya allocate bungalow bi e dia ma who driver, who security, who cook, who be biara or honubia or ye be biamam. It is some rainy dear. Who know we ye dear? As I said, Yanko Paul to Shiresu Egume so my bravo assassin. A man sign and make a mere. Mina minio speakado. Mina name be at you. And no money in I then edit with him. And this sanka sa opportunity now when you're in a position and can the best such any patutuano abrabono. The dreams and aspirations of many people who hitherto wouldn't have had the opportunity to have a better life, you know. What habit may I say the moment? Who dream the Ubedi? Why do you say, be our busia for baby and I say, what for Sibino? Oh, yeah, you might, you know. Oh, Pammy, what for Sibio or Honmo? Okay, the first degree in engineering. Come to me, baby, I shall, Mamma, why you're regular. Oh, Fanebra. It will be said. Answer now 4-year mandate now, and I say, be 3 years there, Ebesono. What sort of bush your phone now before you now out? And it's no be back. Oh, come or ye papa, yo. Now you bet to obey Timako baby, I'm obvious. I say, come in based on what ideas and the programs and policies are would you go one manner. We don't set target for ourselves and we go into public service to seek our individual gain. Mommy, I have so many friends who became part and parcel of certain governments. These people came in. They are like us. Positivity, activism, advocacy, the good of the general public. Send your beya so chilebi mi twi mi mole kaibia. Na se maso me condition kakra na me fuo gauge ni da tour. Na se bia me pese me dwoadwo me wensan so shield me. Esan se me ba program so TV so nti me pese ma moto mo efo. Na da tour gauge na maso me condition. Na se cylinder na se drip gu form. Obi begina ho no se oye we oton dog chain no hu pe esika no eno mudi no. Se wati the condition mama ka ni nyina soni nso gu form. Mi wa no eye miamisika wo. Ono adwea ma me se ebia me opportunity bi. Enti no bo se o de me ho tan ya eden ahyenimu. Na so emum sankasa di pani fees apan no so. Ana ka ebia wo adwuma bi ye as factory hand. Se bia ntia bia ni ti entimi endi amboa no. Wetimi akoye vocational we bia, wetimi akoye school we bia. Na emum se o de na ho oden ebe ye adwuma. Pompo bi obekwa akobo odim se me sorry na se me kom adwuma so a ade be sane de me ba me de be 100 Ghana bi ene ebe fie. Ne so ne de mame ne so ene ne de obenya esan se wantu pata amankran baby a otine ya busua fie o wanya ne single room self contained bi kakra bi ene otim ontua rent ebura bi wo fie ho no ntinu ontia so ade ase ne wo fa bi ti ase ntinu water bill enso electricity bill nyina wa fa ne ka ne ba ne say ni obedi ene ne yire ene ne mbaka kakra ne so ne de obetimi esan se ni dreams and aspirations ni se ebedu ha wadu hanuma eye obi de so obedu hanum se onu so du hanuma eye obi ane ne de ensetia ye den enyepe until when you are given that opportunity to serve, I am pleading with people, say don't think about yourself, think about the welfare of other people. As I said, the one that you are depriving to be like you no onu so tiwo calculate akwa we kan kontie wi ha ye man appointment pe obi ma ko dan e wa hanum se chale onua mumiyenkwe anajusumu wa share max wa fatuo bi tonu kra bia nkwa bulletin ponim esase etuo mu osum etuo nim oba ya ma nsa so sika no wo yefa fa obi bia bra na ne a wa bre wo hwedi ani ayina ni nyina wa beden wa besese ni nyina. Look at the emotional, the psychological trauma keke eba better also as human being. So why don't you use your position to be able to better the lives of the ordinary people? And that is what's supposed to be done for everybody. And I feel, say, let us look at people who have been given small spaces. small space say they should manage something. And say to one man president bi benya aboyana minister bi benya we o me small boy ni o mo fa ne mbra no be ye me PR me small boy ni o mo fa ne mbra o me personal assistant no kika no mabum no yewe nya ne bra ne say or these zeros
ebe kan ne ma ho
ne afa no honorable me wa na juma no ye no there's no honorability yeah.
Speaker ayi nano Monday no na EC and I'll say filing fee for presidential and parliamentary. Na woko krata yi ne feto so edu ensia no a na che se amanyoku ahodo bi na wonmo akasa de afa sika no ehu wo say 4 years ni wo tua 50,000 for presidential parliamentary nimpo de obese no ano no na yatumo hanchiche mu ha eno na NDC amanyoku no afei PNC amanyoku no PPP APC CPP NCSO sahodro bi kasa se wasenka sese no empanifo tumu krampo anka 70,000 bi nanso ankoba ne sa a watumu pa enya asem kuma akra nei wakasa ditia na wora Kofi Akpalu wasi wono de 100,000 eye emu ye pa se wonye krado anka o ma me yuti se o ba be pre ye mampani edibre na yenhwe se social advocate entumuya abai yesha etosum na ebebo anso ama afufuro bi nso enya akwanya akofile for nomination ana
ameda say say your electoral commission rule is to organize elections, put in measures for general elections, other district elections, electoral elections, and even individual organization, person organize elections. Bia umbeti miaba. Mekai AUCC those days in AUCC I make a contest as president. Electoral commission for ne bar on their choir. They could try a moment moment ebe set it up like a standardized way. They are just introducing us to how the national level is all about. So the work of the electoral commission is not just parliamentary and presidential time. No, they play a critical role within our democratic dispensation. That I say. The procedures in doing all this, and they also tell us who is even qualified to hold which position. Adia may feel say in Kayibeti me aye afa say. So we are political parties be brad also. Ewo Ghana ha. Na mama sometimes metenase. Na me hwe ebinumu omu leaders. Enu omu a omu tie sa political parties no. Na omu tumi call registrar general. Eko register sa political party dia. Mami mimbu obia nimtia. Mimbu obia nimtia. Obia se efata so no opportunity. Ba mami ye bisa se wonim die na wo no. Ebetimi aba beka ho ama oman no akwanimu ana. Adentina dani den nyina obi ba be MP obi ba be president sebi mekazo obi a wawie JSS enye nipa ye nkasi ndi obi a wasori so opeso wawie JSS ekopre so president aden no do nipa no ontimi enkobi eno den na nipa betimi aka ho ye ntia ya soso ye ma me afia don koso no isa say she brings humor mama ye neje but se wo hwe pa wo hwe mama wo hwe Wosha Debbie Yankonesa. And to me, my electoral commission in Tinasese. So, what per se, wunya the best of the best. No more baby Timia baby or my name with omnimu dear, or more experience, and no more resources. Me, my young Fasika a chamene boy, and then by criteria to segregate the people who qualify. And I see a debate you. Betty Mako Bobusian. Beti mi akobo bobosia chale mame fabra silver collections kakanga me bedi president pe
metemeka
wo musa school nesi wona we wo no ebunu na ma contract na o hwa akosa contract na be yan we can buy crank here the 1,000 be we dey o yale papa we this ka be you 5,000 4,000 no we have to meet 2 You see, this is what is happening. Because me as an individual, I don't have that money to go and file to become a president. It's me silver collection, and there's no free lunch and so. So I say, sometimes me to Facebook sana ya me church me no be oh speaker oh Charlie was so good MPO na ma say
you didn't kwa
you go pay for my posters. Will you pay for my filing fee? Oh, emre no do one ma ye ba boa na ka so o ba keke say ojiwudi keke nti there be obi one ma genuinely or person or donating or the amount obi one more business minded person mama oni mi say baby or this can kwa kwese no
e be man for so
Yehowa or they settle trap or they settle trap. So anybody at all can use any means to get this money, but o share ni pana dwen o share ni nimdie o share ni passion o share ni background ni experience empo esefata say so my Ghana yesi yem yi obi mbedi yanim for just 1 week asani pa no obetimi abedi yanim say o man pehin ana say MP mpo ana. That is what I'm asking. You see, empempensua or mine and I say we are seeing in our aircon. That is why everybody is educating his or her citizenry, because it is the basic tool, capital, human capital. Na yeniano, baby a year do no. You better na hanu munyano, mami. Which of the dailies? I don't match sure or more and same for any a wutrim. The end no match sure a woman prism. And I say a woman. Obiatro mana, and I nzememu. And then obiatro. And ya brofo. Brofo no yesu our kitchen.
School them.
Yesu our kitchen. And na brofo no yesu our kwankwan nuase. And na brofo no sabi yesu our mpoano. Mami, let us not joke. And I make say mimbu obi animtia. And yes, mimbu obi animtia. Nemo what is required is what we must do. And they senka wan go school and come metna has a host morning show. And that is it. You to me go for be metna so host morning show. E be say. So what we must do rather than say, does the person really qualify? I.e. what's na say? Ashena dream said your okasafa, the educational qualification, the experience be a 1 year juma or private sector, maybe a civil society organization, and I say within the government sector, no, what amassing some knowledge be. The network, you know, is it good? And I say, so bet me be a president. Bet me I say, Mommy, with your experience, you need to go your madam for minimum pass. Bet me may I appoint you as my press secretary. But I handles that position. These are the things that the EC is supposed to do. So that at least this liberty ma katisa. All ani mole be better begu system no munyina no diegu. Sir, you must have this educational qualification to be able to lead a political party in Ghana. At least a second degree. If we are really serious about moving Ghana from a third world country to a first world country, you know, at least a second degree is enough for you to become either say an MP and I say a president. I mean, people are MPs and they are not doing their first degrees.
Ampa.
Obi kasi ntinu se wunko suku ya unim nyansa. Ne mum am krata na wo kenkan ne contract na wo kwakọ se kenkan na etimede won sa kwọ hyehyase no. Yentro wo mampuruli mu ye, yentro wo nzema mu ye, yentro asantene akuapim twi mu ye, yentro wo musa ye. E wo se utumi nya the ability to think and think critically. Ability for you to analyze and analyze wide to see the benefits thereof. Now as I see it, you know, my dining hall prefect, my deputy minister. Okay.
Me kaipa. So no.
And then you so fast one. Say COVID-19 in some was another bomb. So they say these are some of the things.
But you
see? You see
Majority carries the vote.
Exactly. That's all ye painty or ye famano. Said there be Sankrofonu so mo sa e Ghana fanu so be mu say yenya obi a ofi hono mo so abaye minister. Say kuwe we are satisfied them. Say kuwe we are satisfied.
Speaker me ntwa no bibi say na asi e wo akwatia no a ene Mame Mercy Edujemfi. Ni didn't cry say ama say ene wo se wo ko independent no. Akwakoye bibi ho. Omo grassroots no sebi omo asebi omo enya kwanya nko school no unzo omo nso na ye doso ewo society ni mu enene omo tunefo a sesei party no enimu cheche na ejijei na no hu ekwadonko manifesto ni bi mami
she ana no bi kasa we SRC president for we and do SRC
enu we junior high school
prefectship.
Aye. Blackboard cleaner no money
idea. Dear grow. Ye dear memono a dear grow. One will say Obi a doctor uncle school year and qualify with the medical association then and grantee ni panel licenses. No wakako jina we theater say operate obi. That is what we are doing. That is NC that. When we say Obi and call teacher training, no wakako classroom say or child there say yajina to me say or your teacher. That is why I am all for this licensure exams for teachers.
Teno ye wo.
Masa, who teacher na ujina hono, who person doctor ni enya ni license, and sena wama para. Na de me ba me de ya fa de me ba me hye wunsam. E wo ma ye we na ti wi teachers be bre, na ya fa me hye wunsam, na kire na de. Na me ba ba fie na me ka che ni say, we plus we eye we ya, o se me teacher say. En kwala so de omu teacher di fo. Hey. Eni go ase me wa fa se bi ko ka che ni say, o se de ba de osmosis o se diffusion o se capillarity o se dey. Me man explanation, a many difference in similarities in the teacher say.
Until then, quite a while.
Make sure my science was school. Share me pa. Mammy, it is the same way. Maintenance. Now, who now me from a destiny and who has ever gone to the hospital? They can say, well, or been fast and move by you. You two Yanubu. Uncle, if I saw by a surgeon, Uncle, Obiasro, so I Asiana. Meaning, say, before you can do something, we need to have demonstrable experience to do that. It's identity and a money. But well, it's because of the population pyramid. Over the base of the population pyramid, most of us, you know, sebi, yanko school, ema yentiminyas have formal education here. Nti bebrena no, chobo ifo. Se mi kojina hona se chobo ifo no ebo mi chobo ya. Meaning say me kwa me decisions na me making you know it must favor chobo. Mommy, we are asking ourselves, for how long can we be in the era of the chobo? For how long can we mobilize people and give them t-shirts and give them 10 Ghana to go and demonstrate? For how long can we say we need this caliber of people and our market and our mothers will be in the market and be selling just on the bare floor? For how long N1 Sadia San and Crofobes good the median of the road so almost ton. For how long Crofobaba Jina traffic lights young girls guys one holding Ebejina honum aton pocky aton yogurt aton bofruit aton cherry. For how long mommy obi at the truck ebe sinechi na we piasa. For how long Jene if you bought Ghana other countries nearby Begua Bublushi ube who no be a tie kotoko mienu nesini triso. For how long mommy for how long Bublushi obi beko picky scraps no dia babegu hono wa to jegu ase se opeso oyi copper mommy for how long? For how long no be babejina honum etena wheelchair mu abejina wo car ho apa wo chel se nti opebibi kakra ediedi. Are we happy? Are we happy? One of the government, nana mi fi keep and ameba. Me do I watch the traffic light na me jina here. Next by my side, me be here previous spokesperson be on the government. Ono betina TV so ka so ma create 1 million jobs. Akwala bi be ma bi bejina ho sin tini san nkofo no mo wipe screens no. Once nkwala na so mo jina traffic light na. Okwa ape no na odi so concussion bi dey. No dey abefifa we. Na
wonu say no kwa be we na time pa.
Na me ka no why you we screen up paper na fa so be na wo so. Abrantia ni yes say ordinance ekohwie nso na gu no. Sa this former government official we ahoodin bi nye bufuo bi nem si ye radin kaminyan kam capture sadie we. Wona wa betina TV so say we create jobs in Ghana youth ni nyina o manya adwuma. Eso ene say o ye na adwuma o. Ade na preventing so be ye na adwuma. If the person has been employed, and if we use statistics and data to be able to know, say, let us map out the employment situation in Ghana here, knowing very well, say, we are lacking with first degree in communication, first degree in nursing, so. Let's just groom people to be able to fit there. And I say, Obi or Hormo, where Granasia, you only man is your Obe Kriayo, Yankonia for agric extension officers, near Fanconia Cotromo, the new technology are about in cocoa production and cocoa farming. Now it was 1 million. When you MPP for some created 2 million jobs, and so still Nkofuji traffic lighting.
Yes, dear Tom, dear.
The reality on the ground it doesn't reflect. What can say we create 1 million jobs, sir? I expect say and coming for Jolu traffic light, La Paz traffic light, your friend is Abeka Junction traffic light. Me unipa be at 10. Consistently for last 6 months. Okay, them say we create 10 million jobs and I say 1 million jobs. You know, mekono na say nipa no umuni hobi and that's almost why then at me could be say because government buy no initiative we the buy anything no ye na yeswati. Mommy, we are just tackling ourselves, but the reality on the grounds it doesn't really reflect because sometimes square pegs in round holes. It doesn't fit. Just because onimuni not the naba show. Just because obenya timi atina tiasie, mami ubei, oye me press secretary, o kwa soleno. Normally no soleno, e bia ke bia media house a week for bar, e ke bia be mom 500. Mami no dear, mom be 200. Not sure book no say 1,000. Why? Ya kanu de fe gunche. We media houses be na what it is so munyina de so. As I inflate bi. What am I say? Esa say you are supporting me. Say me kofa Kwame na ba ga say, hey, speaker, me yan sa, Mr. 200 na me de mo ma me report 200. Esa say ma meti ma se ntini, na makwa employ mame bread. Be come ho. Kakre be dinti. Ube say afi do china be wan na mame da VAT mu shepe. Na wa she ne red. Ne ni osima ni say, o say yembo jizu. Ne mum ne okwanya ofa so a odinya asade no. Na enye okwan pa. So many people have been frustrated within previous current government and they've left. Bebre, me na for minimum money, the youthful exuberance. They want to make it work, you know, because of certain dealings in Bebre no more. And they have deprived so many people of benefiting from their knowledge and their ideas. Why is that the brain draining of Bebre nurses, Bebre no more. So I feel say we are begging them. We need the right people. I must say, MP or we no Akwetia, Baba Jama former constituency. Menianje. As somebody who understands governance and understands the qualities, what you need to bring to be able to purpose fit you into it and take decisions that will benefit you. Menianje. Mama Minkas will be a hairdresser, will be a carpenter. Mr. Obiani minim die okofa carpenter ni bejira hanu ma ka chense onye de wuye ya untimi nye wo ya de ukonye de hammer e hye unsem ne de plane e hye unsem de hacksaw untimi nye. What does that tell you? It tells you say obia ene die. So what I say obia ene die. So why don't we use that obia ene die no and go into governance? Say to minim say this is governance and was say minya this knowledge this requirement in the betimi de bako now simply because you're popular on the grounds or a hairdresser. If you are no way go full tia mom bebre, if you be anywhere no ye no de chenin no yenko no kwata parliament. Let us go to the Hansard, Parliament Hansard. Yenko bisa say on the floor of parliament contributions be no ye. And I say because upon the constituency otumi koye gutters ne your friend is saying street lights in intino and intino it is enough. And I say saying the real work of a parliamentarian is to contribute to debate on the floor of parliament and become at least 2 of the committees of parliament. You are a member of them. Senebeya wa dream yebeti mediaje ne yade akekere embra sa embra na enya akwetia for de enya bimbila for de enya bole for de enya kumase for de anase kumase kofodia for de nemu sambra no ekoma Ghana for nyina yenko Hansard Parliament Hansard me go be say the contribution on the floor of parliament because he saying
I'm saying 2017 and 2016 and I'm who say wakasa bakubi 2016 and 17 and I'm who say wakasa bakubi but since then no ba na ne ati nyina say obon homodin o sua de eno na ehwe say enka ede mwa beba as say ye tuni yo na speaker me be say modin bono na modin boben so oboa ne constituents at the far developmental issues mu inti o de emremu no ye bedi nkomo ye ne constituents bedi nkomo ne bisa won mu de kudie nti a won mu susu se maame ne boa na MPP amanyoku no so omo delegates enso che se emoa no enkoyie na yenko se yekoye Facebook page ho no mo a Mensa Doji was say mame our leaders are doing us more harm than good. It is very bad. Our leaders keep distributing money to delegates before they are given positions. inti wose ekoba ne sanso so aye mfi obi mu ekope mo say election year for besan dey aba inti say we delegate ne ma okakra na eno ano no 4 years biem ene ebeba abehwe ebia nie onze edru congress edru primaries so no yahwa to aba etia maame no na no na mebisa say ho no so no aya na vote buying wo ho
maame for some time now, at least externally, may hear some few consultancy with communication, especially with some candidates in the political parties. Kakra obia wadamfu bi ewumu obefro shall speak and person me koye we why anything. At least me boa kakra, not officially, but wadamfu bi no person opposition bia. Na edu budget no so budget analysis no so. Can you imagine that some delegates, some candidates paid as much as 30,000 cedis? 30,000 cedis per delegate. 30,000 per delegate just to retain their seat as parliamentarians. 30, mami 30.
Ayekese.
Na mi amiti hey. Until there's a 30,000 now 300 delegates. Obi ko twitwa ansase plot half plot and okoye fake document sent na your delegates in dia so mutumi to abamoma em say no mo hono na I think it's a little less than 5,000 or say something 500 or say 7 okoye almost about 250 or say delegate
say 250 a half we
akacho mu say o mon kato ma no unim de ono so ko strategy okoye in den channel site planning ya sa na fake and okoye mom mu so okoye ko wi 50 votes and onya say this uncle for no after site planning in den channel akojina half plot no so say
ekosi
and ono so de langat akokogu so say so wo we ya bra say ohun say 50 no omotoma no onim ne e okoto abane ma no It is say omo twitwa sa 250 no twitwa plot no mo nyina no obi ase me na metoma yes aso ene which me say nkofo kukuro mo sa side panel in dencha ni we ni nyina mo mudi wo so ma say omo de call yeah the search e wo we lands commission
ngudini ho
hwe ti eni ho no mo so you see what people are doing just to get power. It is sad say Ghana has see as me sorry na say me say bia be person me call position bia me potom eni bi entini se wo nim de se wo sena efata wo se wo na wo ye no bia nim se privately no you have distinguished yourself very well in a certain space within the economy nintino wo se fata se sa position we de ye the man wo se fata se wo kona ko vie for sa position we obo mu se wo se fata de bibi kakra ye weti medi. That is why I say mami, when we empower everybody so bi baha na ye nyina ye wa ha no obi aye na adwuma na so obi ba ha no so okwa pray for MPB nia wo be ka kire ye na ye num sei na ye betie wo me mbegu me ho anim ase ana ma me ngu anim ase na cameraman ana say producer me fa ngu na ni ho anim ase say o pese okodi MP ye wo ene ma me 5,000 ase na mato abama ugu anim ase because brand no credibility na wo as mame ke no eso ye den o pese odi MP ene ma me 5,000 ase which means you are demanding something before you go and vote for the person. But if I say, yo, Mr. Demeti Mayama on say, me hosting morning show, Memo about 30 minutes airtime, be brana better than say, na can't near person waiting my can at your constituency. Niamis Meti Maya, made a beb wow, and one on. Yanko Poya do not say, be a Musuminia Sikaka Krewebia, but the Coca printed by 100 posters be, number the amount. Into your artwork in India, Pushimami, Madame will be a printer, Baka printing, Namisumi Sikaka Kaide, a good. That is how we support people. Elsewhere, Obama campaign. Obama movie run equire fundraising. Artists are not more banny Oprah no. They stood on the platform just to raise funds for Obama. I had them then here. Yes, I tell you money ska. Onumo then G every party no or G every candidate no. It is a name make of Fred Obi Esimesi say Ombra, no funny influence. Ember convincing for mamia. I was all ban at least me make it as we say 20,000, 30,000 video or qua me the man. But elsewhere no, anybody mom eba aba silver collection I then. I'm me. So you see, because why we are hungry, a comedy bebre into ono so nipa bebre depend on no enti eno so ono so nya bia e na sa ne boys no mudi na chi no be den ono so benya bi na ka sa boys no obi akọ na djuma so from 8 to 5 emre be na benya dia be di na chi ekuta kita ni phone sama no kita flag e dia ma no di na chi say John esa say onu benya opportunity now so wenya biniti no but also masa the people who were doing all these campaign things for Obama were independent people. Masa, who shared the Obama office, the campaign we mean now. People who were qualified in communication, in politics, and other things. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be a party member and all that. You just pay off and then you go. People are paying money just because. Now, now sign contract and also 00 can one. Now what does say corruption? Now we say the corruption started from you. Don't you know that the very day that you demanded for money was the very day that you initiated corruption activity within that person? Anna, who didn't say, "Oh, Nippon one more catch and say, who send fata say Ubeko ABA school way." No, Nippon using the connection or the man when I do your school corruption. Anna, you don't have any idea just because you benefited greatly into and benevolence. Just because you benefited into Nakumaye or Nippon in some yemre. No, you soon away at the Paco importing no rice. Was it my money imported rice, new sugar? Yanko Commander Sugar Factory, Yanko Afife Rice Farm, Yanko made in Ghana, ni eat Ghana. I know Conyas can win. No, Chinabium or be prebiuma, Sikaben Ubenya, at the amount of him. It has become, the other day, majority leader, and make a summary of it. And a first speaker, Joe Wise, and so make a summary of it. Now, Ubotum, Eyedua, and I'll bet me about with political positions. Who needs a car? Se pa obeba Ghana hanum ze oni sika betima de mame lai eni bia kona kope adwuma fufuro bi na ye anase kona ko tichi o kira de mu mam ze no mu be better
ya da wa ye Facebook messages ne so na Shamsuddin Haruna wase wakasa pa nsem a woka no edane kwam sa so na Mensa Doji no abiem wase ye kasa free and fair elections e wo Ghana anything wase se enye samre wei ena abato komisa e ba baji sika kesi sei wase so jeje sa sika no a ehiafo anase woni a woni sika ena wontumi empre ewo afi abato ni mu enti isi enhwe na wonya sika de no na wonhwe ma afi abato no enye pepepe na enye han Kojoli wanozo se speaker AUCC election unya asen sa no obisa sa so ena licensure exam na o ka ho asem no Mensa Doji say wone wonya adwen kwa wone wonya adwen was say I don't know if you've seen the questions and the manner in which it is being conducted. Look, it is calculated, planned to dupe money from unemployed graduates. The licensure exam could have been written as part of the final year examination. Now, requesting 225 Ghana cedis, no unemployed graduates, our TFE. Now, was sergeant in some 225 Ghana cedis, no a chrono, a ha, in no crowd dear. A new quan say, was so, as I say, addition in aqua 4 years, and it's Ewo University and Nasa Training College 3 years. In the other internet was Sansujen in Samuskabim. Efo Gameli was say or mine dear. Was say as a nation we need reorientation from the basic level to appreciate our national values and goals. We should look above the politics which only benefits a few. Inti or no there was also a canon was say share politics ye ewo memu no anate nipa kuma bi na ya eboa won mo nti nka ye nhwe na yenyi saa ne ni nyina mfi hon mo na ntimi mu afoforo na wo mo nso entumi enya emfaso e wo so wonya nti wei ene o manfo bi no adwen kira odi aba
nipa ko bi na enemre ma ba bedu se obi si nti no achim mafia achim sakawa achim den mami obi tina ase the importance of education, formal education. Ono no konya ebi no. Omani nua no nyina enya ebi. Ne wo fasie no nyina enya ebi. Edu omu ko school papa. Esa se kakra wo no nya ye no de omu ko school papa. Na se ne. Se ni pa ku no se busua ku no. Omu fi ba bi nti a omo bone o ma ye ne se o ma ko school ana. Hwe edu ba bia na politics in Ghana na e tan kekekwa unya wo de no wo de kwat na bia ba editor chain edugu kom editor futi ehye enam town ena ye otufo na ne me ami ni maba mam fufuo 3000 why fanam no gusu na fufuo na nyera ena digu yem na ye due na ye eo ena obi su hu education hu importance ntino ode ne wo fase ne manyina ko school na do they qualify for school da na then na so new opportunity no one kwan fa obi so anko school bi na wantimi aye shareholder in the person's future na momunya wo de na wo de koye guy asu ni faso akotoka aye wei atoton ntade na wei ka na wo hefa uto Volkswagen uto Nissan uto Petrojangba those days e wo hefa saka na wo hefa even I know more to Land Cruiser anyway nyina mame 10 years 15 years later be uni mazuma na say ni limousine limousine
white no enebi ohode
ba ku bi si we odo na nchen wo titidie ni bi no say there ya park wo we baby enso ni to e flat wo kai
and somehow
which is but when you invest in your human capital you will reap the benefits thereof. Woma enipa eso banfaso a odi ni ko school a that should be onso be nyam pempen so be there. Second year in AUCC Ogochuku na change social media any media any law ka say listen ade a me kire mu that should be say me call retirement a me pese mo so mo be nya pempen so be there do na say me frɛ na ga speaker oh boy now oh boy now make you wire something small give your man now. You won't hesitate in doing mobilizing something. Now every month be as I made the 50 Ghana a man. You need 20, will be at the 50 Ghana manner or bread. Even the pensions he can so on also better at their penny. And that is what we are looking at. So I say, many say, minimum yesika. At the kotor doka and no more. Ekotor akpasa etinemu, ekotor che eseye. Ekotor ebubua e di tremu e di tawu gwomukom. And I'm turning from Efo, and I'm from Toby, and Waji Dina, Sa area Honimina, or King Kong. Obisu Sami de Mabeku. That tells you the importance of education. That tells you the importance of education. And if you are not well educated, there are certain positions that sometimes you can say, unemployment, we share the job marketer. When I will say you are unemployed, no. See, I can see CEO of a company says, and I know we in Japan, as it may be a term, as the constituency. So you can see a pet, ABR, we supervisor, and I say, we be one the constituency in part. Or to me, you're being Bomba. As I said, the MPs they have privileges. Say, job opening Biaba for Unipe Bibra. Or say, as and now, so say we are manager of a bank, who here then you will get some in a sing. What does that tell you? He realized that investing in the people is the best form of investment. Or investing in Sankrofo, Makonya baby Asheno, almost Sankrofo here, then, now, say if you don't invest in the right people at the right time, for them to take up the leadership role, for them to be able to take decisions that will benefit all of us there. Mommy, anyways, no money in the way because a minor year bunu, a real son said the air cono. Sabio, Yanfa drop Pia and Edico. Sebio yemfa agbogloshi se na akwa bene copper eyi we ekop bene we wire eyi copper wo mu yemfa okada na ediko yemfa okada na mi sisu biem ewiase ne se de ye kono yemfa okada legalization na eko muma yanim bie na yen take decisions a edi sakyraye etumpon ebeba nipa na abrabom enye the populist we kekese makwaka se me pese me yewe esan se ekuo bi any mame and the second you bet make us more ton no my war traffic do nyina no so no ye be legalize say traffic no bi antimi ko gina
ento wan de
ye be legalize say omo anka we market bia na omo tenantena kwan na no nyina no ye ba be legalize say obi an kwotena ho no mo nya association adentina baye e wo ho which is ade no enye ye hwe enkanko ni ye hwe akade a ye hia asena ye betimi e de akoka na Ghana de ye koye ni manase ye ba Obisi or educated the next generation. Obisi says the Debbie. mole for na chebe munye we ni je make ko legalize o moduma dia mo. Let the thing be in the system. Let them know say it is not legal. Onipa na ya ode ayamuhihie ni osuro ene beye. Ya chi no. Don't empower people to do illegalities. Don't empower people to go into a sector that does not fit properly into the context of development. Don't empower people where I will say the chunk majority of the people and here too, you bet you show my dear, no but you may take decisions or money bet you will say a chunk of them no akakoshe baby. You hear doctors, doctor to patient ratio, police to civilian ratio, military to civilian ratio, now. Why don't you rather empower these people to recruit them, all of them, into the security services? Oko prison services and then prison for you don't feel some ba. Who so much blue no clinic kwai hona. Who prisoners by 10. Na prison officer back. That's about putting cancer ya. Na they watching cancer na ko chasing and I said na Canada be board ho by. Let us think.
Young call Ghanaian Times the Obokrata no emu na page 11 NNRA NDC town hall meeting wo free asewa santimantem nimu na mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ne kasemu eno ache se concessions ahodo a aban SCZ na wode ama won mo na fofo ene wabusuafo no wo ba wo begine nyina ede ama won mo ensem yi akane mampani John Dramani Mahama eken ene aban se wo behwe amietu galamse ase na yensuo ene yensa ase ahodo no bambo atimi akọ esoro no ebo bra na
mami yepe omani yedie ni yepe monsieur obi bra ope opportunities obesebe membe kansema obemo omani akoyechi me kansema obema ekubi trimu be yomode se ne be yom betima akakoto aba ediamo me kansema o feel say ebetimi amawo abato na betimi abedi president abetimi MP yentina say the president in the kind during the COVID era we lockdown and say everything that is being done is based on what? Science and data. Say you share the effect of galamsey, illegal mining. Na say you share Ghana hanum and so a edi brenya eye anase enye enipaku pa omo illegal mining ni mumpo no they bet me a channel on energy near to me akotro my dear war University of Mines and Energy near chom the safer way of mining and na obi akasi ye here the big companies in this one take it over them doing it and doing it well for the environment to be safe. What you feed the environment, you know, and also the environment in the bedding at the bemount, garbage in, garbage out. I don't make call way as a man can say, so. We may feel sacro, and a sacro bridge be the honoma, brim, in soon, efa ase. Na caneno se unim brim unsua. Uko jina hua, mammy to me don't sabon sui movie. Na one no. Upa enia. Eno krabona we emu bi wa from apepani o se de be emu bi omo pepa so na ni tutumi di nsabom na wanu bi na ukohwese de ensuo no aye ukọ enyinem na ukohwese de ensuo no aye mame na sansuo we bia ni densu ni mu ne ankobra ne pra ne we ni nyina no eno bi na yetwe Ghana Water Company etwe no mutumi ko treaty no mo de ma ye fiefie mu ne ye companies ni mu nyina ni yenya bi eno. Now, Esai said the selfish interest, the selfish gains, and then also the limited knowledge of certain individuals in Tino. Omo feel say assassinate ye die, I will say ye did so. Now, Mamesanka, we answer na pre-colonial days. And na kaya papa no ni nananum. Omo say assassinate sa and kebenye bia betwana. And na ensuo na dida ho no nya na nkobo say na kebenye bia no mana. Ebede na kiyenya sa ansase no ede aye emfuo ne enobaye beba ye benya bidiadi adenti ena da ne da nyina no we want to also connive with people to rob the nation Robin yes the trouble be jina yensu. Me the freedom, the sanctity of the nation. Eye. Esan say when change is coming and sisaye bia ba enkofo ko bi ho no ayebekun etia science sisaye no. Esan say onipa na den nanu aduane ebebon. Tama Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia eka say paperless within our port. I have people and friends over there. Most of them were kicking against it. People were kicking against it. Why? Esan say ntini eba anka kanina anka paper no eba wo ye den a ono no te ho. Paper ne ba be fa ni nsem. Se wenti mi amani bibi kakra maame paper no ye den on pushi. Ntini se na ketua no mpo de bosumi pampo fa ni sampo nka na ketua. No wa paper ni nsem fi na ketua no ho. Ketasi so any way no nyina e baba ni ntiro benya bibi kakra ni ntiro. They were kicking against it. Any change that comes will push people out of their comfort zone. Any change that comes will limit people from achieving their dreams and aspirations. But look at the bigger picture and ask yourself, say it me banning illegal mining now. And for so dear Bain and the Bema Ghana, anything may move on our health and you benefit me their money. Say Bayaba. No, I can see interministerial committee on illegal mining. So be umbrella budget licenses or concession. The percent the regularizing system. No, okay, Ghana Hanamana. Ukunya ko Bobby be say regularization of an activity. No be a we want to regularize so no be a worfu. Internal license exams and go for be worfu. It's as if you say the loopholes never I can use that loophole to make money. Internal go for worfu. If you want to regularize a normal pay, no be a worfu. Ya regularizing normal bebre na anything nkofo bebre he ene nkofo sika akokem ebinumewu investment bebre nkofo bebrewu nkofo have lost their houses because oko use sa as collateral nkofo lose omo car nkofo lose omo adwuma. Why? Because we don't like regularization, cutting corners ene de beye da na sesen mami eye but say omo a omani abie omo a omo pega na nkaye omo mo ye we nyina no. Mr. Also be abano kana sema hwehwem. Don't take it just like that say waka ntini waka baby obi abeka biu na die mfaso die na betimi dia bagana illegal mining. I was working with a company research on illegal mining. Now who the effect of illegal mining on our water bodies and on our environment and also even on the human capital no so obia anka nipa bi anko betima ko school aba betima be nipa titu bia be we no esan say any brainy we ntino obekọ akwa venda into it and kolanketua emma emmemma nketua and kolanketua nyina ni ma me ko no was trapping one achi or the na achi e de na ekọ the mercury, the effect of all these things to the health of you the parent and to the kid and so na ka yebetumi akwa se bidia no. Now we are pushing in more money to be able to treat that water. Aka sanso ne bia ka di 10,000 pe na be treat ya. Esa say one the turbidity of the water has risen higher into you kwa use 20,000 and the cost effect on us. Make us what wants to tax. Tax na ye be nya sika ne dia akwa treat seska nsuo ne dia amount. Who tax? Now bisa say no boa o man na say who gbe yeshi. We be say who gbe yeshi and say who di ehwamo. Whatever is happening within this electioneering campaign time, and I was on another sister TV station, radio station, what I said was that she was sitting, look at what is going to benefit you. A dear she said, and the panel do two, and ma when you saw the I don't feel say it is the best way for us to go back to the days of illegal mining. If we want to regularize it, let us regularize it. So that at least decency will be there. So that the people who are coming into it, I wouldn't mind, say, Mami, ubikita the first degree, ubikita the diploma, ubikita the second degree from the School of Mining and the University of Mining. No what timiako into small scale mining. That I know, say, Nippon is using the right knowledge, the Nippon is using the right technology, the Nippon is applying wisdom, and the nation is benefiting from that person. I will prefer that person to nipa bia sebi ontimi kotina baby ma yen kire no the means and ways are obetimi aye ne mining activity no nemu ndani dan nyina no o use chemicals o use no ma bia emma o mine enkoso ana se nipa nsuo ebetimi edi yedem obi kosasa nsuo ni bi na so no ma wewu entin I would rather prefer say obi kita ne diplomas first degree second degree even PhD no ye way small scale mining na ya man license o use the right equipment, the right knowledge, with the right human resource, concession, they are mining and they are mining very well. Say, we no one reclamation of the land. Omunim say, was say you two a hanum we, na you two gold there, or I say a good deal one we na. And film you know, I was see your cop near Sansa Cosisa to go near Katasubi. Now, obey to me, Susa, assassino, no timidity, dear, and nobaye, ebidiamaye. Me, I will prefer that to somebody or Bekakoye, we are going to tuku. In Soto, that's in Sobiguma, now Kolako Fahoma, now Kofatu, no Mewu, no Koshasa Senasia, no Bugunuso. His son said, the person doesn't have the right technology to be able to do that.
Ufra, ye ka, and I say, I was a Wumbisa Bibi, and I won't share what Jenny, and fanfa easy. Ne filing fee, I watch say 100,000 Ghana cedis here. Presidential aspirant, one more. Ebetuano ehu number no 050 150 3063 050 150 3063 and 050 150 3062 and 050 150 3062 now wafre now wachira wadwen e de afa filing fee but wo komesa e no na ansana ora ye beto ayo nkomo no speaker
yes
me wo fa bi ora George Oredu we fa busua ni nyina wo se Mrs Isabella Oredu wo man happy birthday pa ene na woda no ye ne ho kani nso nti ene de chese enema no ana chese wo be hyehye ne saa gift ka ho surprises wom ene manema hodo ka ho nti Ora Isabella Oredu nyame nhira wo wanya okese no ntira wo hiem na wo manso emeye mpani papa na ebi enso so nti yenko ye dobo enkrata hodo no emu na enra arehosem esi ye no akwanhie esi wo chechere ebi say 14 ebi nso say 20 sene tie bia no kra baako ehwe wo man no a yare hosem obesha driver bi suban na chese basa wo ka hweche no kra wontie ya kwantempon mpanifo se won mo eye na wo ye nso so a wo ye ama na favor ya hyen a yetwie wo mamu ana
mame me da si bebre me say yako abusia na o mahwe omonipa na omobusia fonya ya mamo yako omunso a omepre no nso no ye she doctors and nurses yakopo onsho mo no mo nimdie na untimi mo heal very quickly no untimi mra meka ye hu bi me san say they are also part and parcel of the grinding of the economy obi won ma hu adwuma ko oye but ye nim adwuma ko obi ye maybe akomu na ko hu adwuma ko oye oye adwuma amagana atumi etumpon obia dia oye bia no at least edi bibi kakra eba na mame tamana me yakwala no me de me nana etu kwan fi kofodua ebefa ekrowe ya fani se manfin nyina eba propon ya fani se eburi eba madina ebeton ade those days no hwe eburi mountain kwan na ya fi eyi mensa ona was a single lane netare mountain no ho
so
that time you ne use arrow grass bon shika pan na se wo hwe se ne car etimi fa cliff like kwan na no na se wo te car ni mu na se wo hwe tokro ni mu a na wo yemu agye wo hyew wo pentam se mountain ni yentwa ho keke that is one we do Peduase Lodge and as if Peduase Lodge ebru ho na eba yentwa ho keke na wadu eyi mensa na no na wakoma to yem ya de nyansa eni nimdie eni akade eni bo man omapanyin bi bai no hu se ade ekoso yi accident esisi ho bebre enye ede na wo se oye konya we loan ene akofa ebru mountain na enye ho na so ngofo sorry economic jogging
ehwa
enye ho se nkofo akwakoye na me de me tankran so ko jogging ba no abayi mensa bawi fufu
eni emutu
no abawi bi ne no jogging no kwa na bai mami meaning say it is a dual carriage now se ufie yi mensa na okwa 2 lanes okwa obi tumi epa ho eko safely obi nso efie abri ba obi tumi pa ho it is safe now not that safe 100% safe but when you driver na say unim road signs na say you are aware about the road there you go and come Me use saa kwan when it was then. Ma say use when it is now. The benefits are enormous. Accident no eswatete. When some media no say blog and any concrete no was sign fin hono. Ebi was circle here ya sign fin no do Vodafone no blog na sign fin no. Tell me advocate for. And he say our intercities long distance Kumasi and crime Cape Coast Accra Cape Coast Takrade Takwa ni we nim nyina no say ye betime bie kwan mu na se yetime anya sa concrete slab no esin finfin
o kan ye ni madwen akoso
mame se yetime di nya sin finfin kentampo accident na esi ye na nkofo hye ye na yentime identify what was it, wasn't it head on collision? Accident esisi nyina na se ka ba ku fi aba eno mu di omuti sa etie ahwefo won wa ponche apapun so mo kun tokwa o pege ni tiwa sikum no dia besi sa accident be ku nipa nyina
yes ampa afen madwen abaso Kumasi kwan so nyina nya de bi wo hono na accident esi nyina no bia
head on collision se ba ko taya pai na wadenchi akọ obi fufo lane na sa nipa no so ba no feel say wo ye driver wo ba eni sa oba mi lane mu nti ono so anticipate say wo betima ba ni lane nti ono so de oba obetia enunti na me say all these roads no yenya sa media no concrete block no esin finfin say wo type ayo say wo da o say den na ye wo say den yo wo kwa wakwa kopim sa concrete block no say wo se pe na betu ankwan wo se na etu so more ene bebu a wo pa more ene bebu me fa we sign enko sign enkrofo foforo enti sanka kwan we say mame ya ye ni ye ene ye do courage enka at least rails ne wo kono nyina no enka aircon enka betima restrict car no hwe how was a Burkina Faso track yi but anana me hwe na wifi ebisa me say car no eto fom ene etwi fom anase ye sen ansa na yenya other angles of the pictures ne mu say eba na edenchi fi ni kwan mu no ekotwi bus ne enchen
ene ti wo mu nyina
eya nopa
oh ni kasam ni se me maame ofro basa
ontina we
o se me pemfinfin o bezanza dan ya wo se ebedwiri afre ni mu ho beba no ebedru mi ho na agina na ebefri to beba no nanso we de wo nsa anko basa o
mame se de etimi twiri ahwefo me hu se mo hwe pictures ni bi dade a speed na na eba na obi so eba se no odi kotwi nti se okotena kai mu a uti window side imagine say uti window side na ka bia ba bepem na edenchi wona adwiri ehonu mu nyina omo te honu mu nyina na sen akọ the next car so esa so no so ni mu nti na sakọ ni biem
ono kra bepem to
mame hwe nipa baako okra baako ehwe ne nkwa eye yawo na animanim ya just 14 ye esi wo kentampo yamfa nya asem eboni wo ko wiye yamfa ya asem
nano central region
die yamfa ya asem so wo hwe dozia of accident road carnages on our roads wo hwe dozia o website na ko hwe dozia 2 die 4 perish so injured so this unim say asat endra first half of 2020 6 months are you almost over 1,400 in Kofono 1,400 people have died out of road accident. Endra de Krambo yemfa meka ho yo. Adenti da se enipa wu a ye huni se eyanoma bi ene ya bo no bo ewodua so. Adenti na nipa wu a ye feel se kraman bi na etwa kwan ma na saponchi bi ena ka abo no keke. Adenti nipa wu a ye
ahoma somra. Of for me moache.
Me Joseph, me fresh Kumasi.
Yo, me patcha for saying.
Efem Nana Kwati.
Nana bet me akasa.
I go back to the Tina Moody home come Accra. I'll get down a Hana Eon. The also born I cost in Argentina. Yamfa a great no more Yamanyo phone. You might go to America.
Debbie. The
Uba Confanochi Confanoti G. Now call C2, C3 nominee at the accident a year one. Nipa na ni accident ni gudo no aye moto udu wa na se nipa nya accident na motor na message no bo yes say obo officer nipa o obu tire say most of the accident ni nyina ye moto o ti ake hwese nipa actually gina say o ke 2 million o ke 2 million ya legalize eye moto say emfanfa passengers cheka kura no a what safety precautions no hwe de eye na makobokina ane ayi kakra omu no omu use motor ebre no omu motor lane wo ho enopa efra no pa ben say 7 to 10 no eye tipa takikweta ni ade bia entu because omu dem bicycle ni motor no ene ko adwuma tetipa enti motor eho omu dem mlani ya adwuma papa traffic ni ade nyina achi wo ba yekuma fi aboabo eho motor ho pa ni ka omu accident ay traffic light omu fa nya adwuma ayo traffic esinu a mo ko mo ni bi na America na me kan di beti asem so yeni o so me so mo fakta o ba ababu post office obi onim sa di bia be kan sa asem ma chiro aye abob do traffic abobo ye ade de tai pragia abobo ya no ne pa ayi no traffic ayi no yellow ana ai pragia no onu fa na de ta haza for no o ti ase kuba de ho asante region na ewo o ti ase na jọ̀wọ́ ma so opportunity wa so opo legalize we ye kwa yin ye bi nkan ho ye nchire se ha motoleni enkra mo ye se ayalolo mo be ye ne kwa bi e di amana enu ka eyeye oh na wa show accident isi na a politician that to mu ba bi no mu ni bi um na no bi no enka hunti no enfo mo no oba nipa ba akokwa na eba ni amana motoki mu amu nyina mo nkonche ye ni e pamomo amamo enan bi na menam ahudi hia so ba bi na ka na elodi koket ni bi no pepos no ni ade no on say ayi we bi super roof na so abekwa 207 ni ena lodu ni ma pa wo soro na nipa ni wo afei ho ba bi wi se ka bi ba ni awon so esropu kakra jaba no nkonche ena mi jino no nipa ba ko mo telan kusamu chama ko hwe nipa be se edunsia kwa dienu a egu ta ayi 207 super roof bus ma ekoi omu no nkoche nko na se nipa ba kunti e mpani for traffic omu nyere ye o mama no ho let people no omu nyere ya ho on se air force ama ruling ai government no so e ya kwaja yes ye nyina ye bo oman no ba na mom te wo be kwa esa ama ya ba be timi dia ni e bisu me da me dia tum eti mu ro safety ni ade na re mu adwuma ye papa politicians no na nke ba ye civil society so called civil society no and do mu hu wa sem nkan so called civil society why groups ni ade no Ghana ha no ye ni me do wa ye no ye ni woni die sa mo mi empa adwuma ma ye mrante ne ma ba wa ne ye moto ye ni ye kwa ya ka kwa fa bi kwa yesu sa ekwa kitingiti we yo se konfo ne kram o manu hye nkom se o man ne bebo a ebi ana ye kan one day na wona na duo fa afidi wakotena bi na ne 93 year na ubehu ntimidia America na Ghana na sa na kufa de se onsro abanu se bia obi beto tia na obi 20 adan ko wachina ko nyina wa na se to mama so ndo ba ba legalize moto se ye mfa parking na ye mane na na ye yinu mu ya na asemo mu kan se obi di moto ne batna chira enkuno ne yire tra chira enkuno ya na se wo di ya adaba for you munya accident e fa fear pressure e fa your pressure because ono no ebi kura sense ya chama no ne ade no enti o pre no ni ade eni moto no ono afa nipa na ono ode eno akura sa ba travel from obi so that fan said ne yira na ne bana etie chira eno obeka na yi every blessed day bia mti moto accident si me nipa mti amoko ayi mu de mu won kan kolebu ani 37 na ya de wokumasi akofa no ti Yedase pa na kumasi de se uko kumasi a pragiani de anya asem keto na no meso akofuru bi na wonu mudru tech omo branch ene ofri to ye ne sre ho waye ena msesu hu wose car no aya traffic free susanso eti tech mu ho no aya traffic bom enso pragiani de contentem so ho waje na ni so indi kumasi woni de pragiani ne abobo ya no ho adwuma no ekosoro pa yenkwa homa so mra bim ofrefo me moache ye force na kasa free
bacho the frame Vincent Bangaza Chika so abudumbram
yo Vincent kasa
me bacho uchi se MB4 ekasafa e kan se mutu no wa ya mentomasi ukada ne pradanda ne mentomasi MB2 ba ba mu no afahwe ama yen se nyuma na yen se so ba be du nyuma no gram si ugu gram si ba si achana so gram si ukada na wo ka se ukada at the coach of mamunya accent ni say pray for the change for rodo it's a pray for the change so me simple nya wu say ukra muta na pray chin no I dey na di mutu no e jom so nya nwa tai tutu for mamuju say e sini ntiba mi so jama dwen say te munya gitu mu say ukada no o ma dia tuma o mo nkwa ma ba so me dey o ma dago it's a pray for the change si wo mo it is o nya mama munya ba no nya gitu mu say mfa moto ni fanya adwuma yamfa obo ya ni fanya adwuma mfa plug ya fanya adwuma abema ento wa say de enwo mo drive so no me Friday a drive then ya get to say car enya adwuma no saa na car obi drive be to ne bo in the sense you to so car na enya adwuma or the license o ni bia position a onsuro no enti no send before no so mo ka say the mama ka say obede ukada tum obedu atuma we nya agebone so eye eno de bo man ni mu ye na etu me na Ghana for ye nya dwuma ye ye nya dwuma ye nji say obi egbabuai se ni be nya dwuma nti anwo che na ye komu no akufa no pa na anwo che na wu no pa na e fa ni cho say boys ni ye bre ba ukada no ama ye nya dwuma ye de ye se fa ni cho mo ka say nti akura so mo ka say ti ade a kufa no fa adwuma mra ni nya bi nya ni nya moto kam da ma se
yo ye da say enti wo se obi kasetia no obi nso se eye
mami
yemfo so
na se ye hihye na eye community based me mpese mi hu pragia e wa Accra Central me mpese mi hu pragia e wa Ahojo why ya say me mpese mi hu pragia e wo Cape Coast Central Takrade Koforidua Central. Do you get me? Let us segment and know say so we call the various hinterlands in the communities now is not accessible by cars now they are Okada bebre the other day me kosuga kope it's like it is the way of the place. I was in Wale Masa obi Mercedes Benz way what do you say one am hono ma say wo benya bibi afo no obi a woni moto nti say ope car ebe do be call from 1.2 arada I just ought na we ni mu bi abobo ya ni mu bi abobo ya bucket ni mu ni mu eni bi na wasa wotina because obi a woni moto taxis you don't see taxis around those places if that is how it is and no doubt it is not demeaning say the northern sector no that has been their medium of transportation and mode of transportation over years and they understand udu tamale no power rush hour now do traffic lighter mami moto bia ejina
na no ameko ho many days say
moto bia ejina wejina onim say this is me because obi abo ashatai abo shoot okwa adwuma eye moto eno de ko there's nothing wrong with it obeying it if that is what because what commercial activities endorse ewo ho ye road is to crash traffic mami ga traffic cars ni mpo enkoso trotro for so de because ya try say ye benya public transport ya ayalolo ya park e wa motor new station chef BRT
obi akra amfro a
so they say so it means say ya kasi ye be regularize bibia esan say ebeku nkrofo bi adwuma ntin ye beku tie sa but if we are regularizing it that's what catch me say this region communities we may use Okada fine because some places taxi enko Okada na enko road no kwa pathway baby anipa enante keke nti Okada na ne betimi akọ hono nti yenye ne sa but that comes back to decentralization and local government. If we give them the power to take decisions on their own, that is why in the wisdom of the sitting president in the case, let us go and amend the 1992 Constitution Article 53. Na kayentimi sisa na kayentimi nkofo kwa se me pese me DC na ya to so abama ukoba one wo govern I say the municipality, the metropolitan, the district is your country. You are the president over there. You take certain decisions, i.e. based on the economic outlook of that district. Now yes, a president in the best and taking national decision now so abano abeka to cake now they call meanwhile it doesn't purposely fit for the development agenda over there. Sakaya is adia. Ube say the central, the metropolitan assemblies ni na no mame. Ya fa Okada anase Pragia anase Abobo ya emba hono. Nemo ye ko districts ni kakran ne dia. you bet me legalize it e wo ho no say district we legalize it say district we legalize and then say metropolitan we so
legalize it yo anopay aha ene ade nkomo no AC speaker yeda se
me da se be
woni Ghana fo edi ni yie woni mi angaza so edi ni yie yeda se goberne de yebekwa akodi a ne sa
very necessary say yeah
ai enti anopay the bokata mu nsem no aha ene yedi AC speaker FK Ado why social policy advocate one na anopay menena tena senia bobo yede obo enkratamo ensem ho wantimi amfra mane haw ye ba bedi nkomo e de afa road accident ho akwanhia dodo esi e wo yakwantimpon so nia MTTD eye na fe road safety authority say wo authority into otimi esi ginaye e de ma won ho emebi eboa oman no ye behwe won so enhyehyɛ yahodo a wode eba ene emoa ebetimi aboa ama ekwanso akwanhia dodo no ano etimi abrase yetwa ye ho abasisia